What are the benefits you will get when you drink fennel seeds mixed water every day? Normally, fennel seeds have been used for treating various ailments, as well as they are also linked to many health benefits too. In this video, I will talk about the important benefits of consuming fennel mixed water every day. To know its complete details, and exact way to prepare this mixture, keep watching this video until the end. Fennel is a flavorful common culinary herb and medicinal plant. Its scientific name is Pheniculum vulgar, and it can be found in almost every kitchen. It is used in many different cuisines, from Indian to Italian, to contemporary fusion. All parts of the plant are used, including the leaves, seeds, and bulb. Fennel seeds contain powerful phytonutrients and antioxidants. The most potent of them is anethole that makes them highly nutritious and powerful. These seeds are also rich in manganese, zinc, copper, phosphorus, and many other helpful nutrients. You can use them in many different foods and dishes, including many different vegetable recipes and soups. Fennel seeds are particularly popular because of their distinct and strong flavor. One good way of doing it is by drinking fennel seeds water or fennel tea. Let's discuss some impressive health benefits of drinking fennel mixed water regularly. First, it improves digestive health. Fennel seeds water has long been used to improve digestion and as a digestive aid. Due to fennel water's anti-inflammatory and carminative effects, it can prevent and eliminate gas, cramping, and bloating when consumed regularly. Along with this, it can help to ensure we are getting all of the nutrients, when we are maximizing nutrient uptake and it's speeding up the digestive process. Fennel water can even help to rebuild damaged tissues and prevent digestive tract injuries. It may combat bad breath. Drinking fennel seed water or chewing 4 to 5 fennel seeds may freshen your breath. This habit will increase the production of saliva. Increased saliva production will help to get rid of odor-causing bacteria and fight bad breath. You may feel more refreshing when you chew the seeds longer. It can help to detoxify the body. When we consume fennel water, it can also work to detoxify our entire body. The fennel water can promote urination, which allows the body to eliminate and get rid of excess toxins that has been extracted from other parts of the body such as our kidneys and blood. Fennel water works great as a blood detoxifier, cleanser, and diuretic. That helps to keep our kidneys and liver healthy and functioning properly. It relieves asthma and respiratory ailments. Fennel seeds are a great source of phytonutrients that help to relieve asthma symptoms. Expectorant properties of fennel seeds help in healing conditions like bronchitis, cough, and congestion. It may help to control arthritis. Want to reduce inflammation in the body? Fennel water can also help those individuals who are suffering from conditions such as arthritis and gout. Since this water can help detoxify our entire body, it may lower the risk of unwanted and unnecessary inflammatory responses, while also promoting the healthy function of our muscles and tissues. This again will improve our energy levels during the day. It improves the immune system. Fennel water also works well as an immune system booster when consumed regularly. This herb provides power antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic effects. This makes it a great choice to help ward off unwanted flu and colds and can help to prevent these before they occur. Along with this, it can also give us more energy during our day. Help to regulate diabetes. A 2008 study concluded that fennel is very effective in controlling blood sugar levels in diabetics. Fennel seeds are a wonderful source of vitamin C. A high intake of vitamin C helps to regulate blood sugar levels. An antioxidant called beta-carotene present in the fennel seeds helps to reduce cholesterol levels in type 2 diabetes patients. Fennel seeds have a low glycemic index, making it a safe ingredient to include in your regular diet. It may reduce morning sickness. Fennel water may be used to calm the stomach and offer quick relief from morning sickness. Chewing fennel seeds or drinking fennel water may help. Fennel seeds may also prevent stomach gas and encourage the expulsion of gas. They may help treat nausea as well. Lastly, it promotes weight loss. Fennel water can help with weight loss when consumed regularly. It will promote urination to help eliminate water retention and bloating. As well, it also works to boost our metabolism. This metabolism boost will help the body to burn more calories faster, while also promoting fat burning. It also helps to regulate our appetite and hormones, which can help to prevent snacking and overeating during the day. Additionally, it also works as a blood purifier, as well as help you improve your eyesight. These are some important health benefits of consuming fennel mixed water every day. Now let's take a look how to properly prepare this health drink. Take 1 glass of water, and add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Keep it soaked overnight. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning. Then do not eat anything else until the next 45 minutes. This way fennel seeds water offers lots of health benefits that you get easily by consuming just 1 glass of fennel seed water per day. After knowing its benefits and use, make it a part of your everyday routine. Have questions related to adding fennel seeds in your daily diet? Then please do a comment below. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us. And share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about this type of useful recipe and foods, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.